Back tap is a super handy feature that allows you to quickly activate your favorite actions by just double tapping or triple tapping on the back of your iPhone. Notably, you can also trigger the music haptics by double tapping on the back of your iPhone. For folks who are unaware, music haptics enables your iPhone to play rhythmic haptics such as taps and textures in sync with the currently playing song. This is designed to enhance your music listening experience. That said, let's get started. So first up, we have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose the accessibility option, and under the physical and motor section, you have to choose the touch option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the back tap option. Then you have to select the double tap gesture. And then you have to head over to the accessibility section and choose music haptics, and you are all set. Going forward, you can activate the music haptics on your iPhone by just double tapping on the back of the device. Now give it a try, and I'm sure you would love this neat shortcut. With the rhythmic taps and textures, music haptics will spice up your music time. So go ahead and realize your top playlist to your heart's liking, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.